Hello guys, this is Programming Tunes bringing you a whole new world of programming tutorials. So let us create our first program of Hello World on Java. So open a little data prefer here and go to File New File New and Java project. Give the name of the Java project is Hello World. Be sure that you give your project name as a capital letter starting and click on finish. So Hello World is generated on the package explorer pane, and when you open it we don't see a Java file, but we have to work for a Java file. So right click on that, new, and after that plus, and it's asking for a name, so I give the name Hello World again. Now finish, and it's loaded. So first to tell you public static void main. What is public static void main? The public keyword is an access specifier which allows the programmer to control the visibility of class members. When a class member is preceded by public, then that member can be accessed by code outside the class in which it is declared. In the case main parenthesis must be declared as a public, since it must be called by code outside of its class when the program is started. The keyword static allows main to be called without having to instantiate a particular instance of the class. This is necessary since the main is called by the Java interpreter before any objects are made. The keyword void simply tells the compiler that main does not return a value. As you will see, methods may also return values. As stated, main parenthesis is the method called when a Java application begins. Keep it in mind that Java is very case sensitive. Thus, main is different from main. Means the main that of the capital letter M and the small letter m differs. It is important to understand that the Java compiler will compile classes that do not contain a main method, but the Java interpreter has no way to run these classes. So if you had typed main instead of main, means the larger letter with the small letter that differs, the compiler would still compile your program. However, the Java interpreter would report an error because it would be unable to find the main parenthesis method. Any information that you need to pass to a method is received by variables specified within the set of parentheses that follow the name of the method. These variables are called parameters. If there are no parameters required for a given method, you still need to include the empty parentheses. In main parentheses, there is only one parameter, albeit a complicated one. String args brackets declares a parameter named args, which is an array of instances of the class string. Objects of the type string store character strings. In this case, args receives a command line argument present with the program is executed. So we have to go for the printing the hello world. So simply go after these lines and type print very sorry system dot out dot, and it's giving autofills. Now print ln. Let's see println, and inside println give the apostrophes and write hello world exclamatory sign, and you have to finish this code by adding the semicolon after it. So you can see there are no errors detected in it. And now the time to save this Java as Ctrl S, and have to run that. Go to I think run button and just run hello world, and you can see the text also come yet. One sec. Yeah, then given hello world on the terminal. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel.